Episode number 170. Molecular nature of matter. Molecules made up of one or more atoms constitute matter. In this episode, we shall study about the remaining part of the molecular nature of matter. Electron microscopes and scanning tunneling microscopes enable us to even see. The size of an atom is about an angstrom, 10 to the power minus 10 meter. In solids which are tightly packed, atoms are spaced about or a few angstrom to angstrom apart. In liquids, the separation between atoms is also about the same. In liquids, the atoms are not rigidly fixed as in solids and can move around. This enables a liquid to flow. In gases, the interatomic distance are in tens of angstrom. angstrom का 10 गुना होता है gases में. Interatomic distance जो बढ़ जाता है. The average distance a molecule can travel without colliding is called the mean free path. Called the mean free path. The mean free path in gases is of the order of the thousandth of angstrom. The atoms are much freer in gases and can travel long distances without colliding. If they are not enclosed, gases disperse away. In solids and liquids, the closeness makes the interatomic force important. The force has a long range attraction and a short range repulsion. जो attraction होता है उसके में long range होता है और repulsion जो होता है उसमें short range होता है. मतलब कि जो force का जो molecule के बीच जो distance है long range का होता है और ये short range का होता है. The atoms attract when they are at a few angstroms but repel when they come closer. जब नजदीक आएंगे तो एक दूसरे को रिपेल करेंगे, मतलब विकर्षित करेंगे, दूर फेंकेंगे. और जब नजदीक और जब फ्यू एंगस्ट्रॉम पर होगा तो वे एक दूसरे के नजदीक आएंगे. The static appearance of a gas is mystery. The gas is full of activity and the equilibrium is a dynamic one. In dynamic equilibrium, molecules collide and change their speeds during the collision. One is the average. Properties are constant. Average property constant होता है, बाकी कोई properties constant नहीं होता, vary करता है. Atomic theory is not the end of our quest, but the beginning. यह शुरुआत है, यह अंत नहीं है हमारे खोज का, हमारे अनुसंधान का. We know that atoms are not individual or elementary. Atom जो है वो सबसे छोटा part नहीं है. They consist of a nucleus and electron. और nucleus और electrons का combinations. The nucleus itself is made up of protons and neutrons. Nucleus में proton और neutron होता है. The proton and neutrons are again made up of quarks. Proton और neutron जो है वह पुनः quark नामक सबसे smallest particle से बना होता है. Even quarks may not be the end of the theory. यहाँ तक कि quark भी हमारे थ्योरी का, खोज का, अनुसंधान का अंत नहीं है. There may be a string, छोटा छोटा रेशा होता है, छोटा छोटा लाइन होता है. There may be a string like elementary entities, मतलब उसका मौलिक अस्तित्व होता है हल्के ट्रेस के रूप में. We shall study to understand the behavior of gases. हम गैस के बिहेवियर को समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. And a little bit of solids, और कुछ हद तक solids, as a collection of moving molecules in incessant motion. एक समूह के रूप में, असेंबली के रूप में उस मॉलिक्यूल का जो कि लगातार मोशन में, अनइंटरप्टेड मोशन में, मतलब in atmosphere there are always in motion in each and every particle, but we see just a stable conditions. But it is not in a stable condition, it is in dynamic condition. And so we have to study the gas, the behavior of gas by considering the molecule as in moving condition.